Can I join? Yeah. Somebody. Anybody. Whoever's first. Oh, you're ready for that. Oh my god. I have hiccups. Fuck. All good, depressed. Good night. Ryuk, I appreciate you came in. Oh my god. I think I'd pass out. I can't hold my breath for 30 seconds. Shut up. It's not funny. Oh my god. Jump up and down and sing the alphabet. These things. I can't help it. I literally cannot help it. Dude, I hate this shit. It happens all the time. Hold on, let me get this link. I almost fucking drowned right there. Holy fuck. Wow. Dude, I hiccuped while drinking water. Hi, Brian. Oh my god. Depressed is trying to kill me. First, he wants me to OD on Advil or Aleve or whatever the fuck I took. And now he's trying to make me drown. Oh, fuck. I'm so sick of this shit. I like the new game. Think a guy named Depressed is gonna help people? Well, yeah, sometimes. Dude, Pimpin gets hit on by so many dudes. No, it's so true. Especially John. John loves Pimpin. What kind of car do you have? 1993 Honda Accord. Ah. Oh. What color is it? No, I can't say I have. I did it the wrong way. Fuck. Oh my god. Silver. I'm so talented. I made all of them in. Do you usually make all of them? Oh, okay. I was like, there's no way I'm special, right? Oh. I used to do that. I would pay for my gas money to get to college. Never lost. Always got to college. Fuck. Thought they were gone. What? Hiccup remedies, I know. I'm a lost cause, dude. They always come back. They're never truly gone. No, no. There would be Carmi um on Fridays. And if I won, they'd pay for my gas. While I was in college, I never had to pay for gas myself. I would always be smart with the people, though. I would always choose the slow cars. Slow cars, but guys with big egos. I had a BMW. Mm-hmm. It really is. It really is. Oh my god, bro. I'm gonna fucking tweak the fuck out in a second.